Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a drill holder, and yeah, this is going to give you a lot of space in your workshop. I know, especially me, I got stuff laying all over the place, so this will help keep everything compact in one area. So let's open it up and see what we get, and see what kind of assembly is involved with this. So. And it's really well packed. Packed well enough I can rip the box apart. But anyway, okay, so that is kind of like your whole kit there. So obviously there's a lot of pieces to this, and you do get a set of directions. So kind of go through everything. So that's your parts list on that side. And that is your step-by-step there. So everybody can follow at home. Alright, so you got the one frame. You got your mounting screws. Then your pieces to assemble. Is up here. So these are some pretty heavy wall anchors if you're familiar with these. You got to drill kind of like a pilot hole to put these through. It looks like they're about 1/4 inch. And then as you put the screw in, it will expand the wall anchor behind your wall, so you can put that on a regular sheetrock wall. Or if you're just mounting it straight, you can just use these screws. They are like wood screws, so it's like a multi-versatile piece. And then so that is your mesh top, so you can put like your chargers and your accessories on top of that. Some more cardboard. That is your one drill compartment. I guess that's your next one. Same thing. So it looks like in each section you can put like 1, 2, 3, 4 drills. And this is your other side arm. So it looks like we are going to be mounting this this way? Or no, this way. Alright, so this is going to be your top. Just to give you an idea. And then this piece will basically mount right on top of here. Get it directionally the right way. And if I had it the right side. Alright, so that's basically how that's going to sit together. Like that. So let's start putting those pieces together. Alright, so basically this top piece lays on top of this metal piece, if you can kind of see that from the picture. And then you have your two little bolt and nut pieces to screw in. And then you can see how you have your area where you're going to fasten this to the wall. And then this is where you're going to be basically pushing your drills in. So let's get this other piece on the bottom set up. Then it kind of lays on top like that. And I have my, I got the bolt going through the top and then a nut at the bottom. I mean, you can have it face either way, I guess. Everything's lining up pretty good. Usually when you get some of these shelf units and stuff, it does not line up as well as you want it to. Then that's going to be the mesh top. Let's put this other side on. So make sure we got everything facing the right way. They kind of make it the way that everything is set up on here, so it's hard to put it together the wrong way, which is good. So it's not like bi-directional, it only can go together one way. So the screw holes line up, so you got the wall facing the right way. So that's another thing. I don't know if you've put together any furniture or shelvings before. Sometimes you get it the wrong direction and it's just like you gotta take it apart, put it back together again. So there's a smart design on this so far. So very impressed. And there's not too much assembly required, which is good. Let's get this bottom one lined up. Get this last piece in, then we can tighten everything down. Alright, so put this down. They have included Allen key and a wrench so you can get this nice and tight. Down really good once we have it mounted. And it does have this wrench, so makes tightening this up really super easy. Okay, and then we got this top shelf. Yes, it's nice and flush on top of there. So I think we'll stand up for this next part. Almost done. Like I said, pretty impressed so far because everything seems like it's lining up well. This last little nut and bolt piece. That one's a little off, but again, it goes together really super easy. Let's do a quick tighten with the Allen key. Alright, so that's it. Nice and quickly assembled. And then next phase is we're going to be mounting it to the wall. So stay tuned. Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. We're back and I have this fully assembled. Make sure that you are using the enclosed wrench and the Allen key to make sure that this is completely tight and snug all the way around. And I had a shelf here before, but I moved it because I wanted a place to put more of my different accessories and drills. I mean, I got a bunch of different drills all over the place, so this is going to be a good place to put them all. And I do have kind of like a general idea of where I'm going to put it. I have one pilot hole to the left, but that needs a little more TLC. So I'm going to grab my drill, and a 5/16 drill bit is what you're looking for. So make sure I got the direction right, and drill nice and straight in. Okay, on that side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these anchors in, and then I'm going to use that to help line up all my pilot holes. So that screw goes in nice and easy. I'm going to get this shelf mounted in. So we're just going to put this screw in nice and easy. Just to give me an idea of where I'm going to put the rest of my holes at. And then we are going to put a level on the bottom, and we're going to make sure that we level that up. Okay, so that's about where we're going to put everything. And I'm going to use one of the other screws to kind of mark where I'm going to put my drill holes at. So one there, one there, one up there. Let's put this back where we had level. Okay, we're going to put this one here. And then that last one up here. Okay. Now you can also use a pen or a marker. I'm just going to use a marker to highlight the holes. Then I'm going to be drilling. That one's already done. Then this one was up here. Okay. Let's drill the holes. Last one up here. Alright, so we've got all our holes drilled. Next, we'll put in all the anchors. Alright, just push them in with your thumb. You can use a hammer too if you got to push them in a little bit more. Alright, so after you got all your anchors in, you want to get this ready to be mounted. And do it by hand. My helmet just fell. Alright, so we're going to use our power screwdriver. Lightly mount these. Then we're going to mount mount the rest of the anchors. All right, then we'll just put the rest of the screws in place. And now you got a place to mount all your drills, minus the light. And you're good to go. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots, and you got a shelf on top for all sorts of different accessories. And other than that, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.